Retractable ratchet straps have been a big hit, with more and more conventional ratchet strap users making the switch. The biggest complaint we've heard is, hey, we need them longer. So we have come out with a new 1" by 15" model. The ratchet is very similar in design and operation to a conventional ratchet. The only change is we've added a spring-loaded reel, similar to a tape measure. Simply pull out the web you need, attach your hooks, and ratchet the strap tight. The release is at the 180-degree open position. To recoil the web back on the reel, simply pull back on the rewind pin, and there you have it. Simple and very handy. With the cost of a small trailer and storage being a problem, hitch-mounted haulers have become a popular low-cost alternative. Whether it's for hauling extras for a weekend outing, taking a lawnmower over to cut your mom's grass, or whatever your need may be. Aluminum is light and makes the attaching experience much simpler and easier. With our new larger model, we have added a mesh-covered folding loading ramp that makes the loading process a simple one-man operation. Now with the mesh-covered ramp, you can easily move small-wheeled items such as a rototiller or a motorized mobility scooter. The hitch hauler's ramp is designed so that when you're parked close to a curb, the ramp reaches to the sidewalk to allow you to load a motorized scooter with ease. A must-have lifestyle item. Carbon fiber ratchets, oh yeah! Designed for the young at heart and the guy or gal who wants the ultimate design in lightweight tie-downs. The handle is actually molded from plastic and a carbon fiber look is added for appearance. The operation is the same as a traditional ratchet. It's a great promo item. We offer 2- and 4-pack versions. Compact, lightweight, strong, and wow, what a display box are just a few ways to describe our new double hinge loading ramps. We've expanded our loading ramp program to include 2 new 1,000-pound models. That's 1,000 pound per pair. We offer a galvanized steel version and the lightweight aluminum. The aluminum has a locking mechanism, a nice little carry handle. It's very light, only weighs 17 pounds. Very easy to store in the back of your truck or your trunk or whatever. Set them on your gate, make sure you're on here very firmly, put your safety straps on, get your ramps lined up in a row, make sure they're parallel and the right distance apart, and it's going to be a very safe loading. Both models are packaged in a full-color display carton with lots of illustrations and pictures. The display cartons are designed to stack on an end cap or a standard shelf in a retail store. Ramps normally are very hard to display properly at store level. With our new models, we wanted to address this problem. Erickson is constantly trying to make the shopping experience quick and easy. Recovery straps are the answer to stuck equipment, rollovers, or whatever the issue may be. With the size of the equipment in the fields today, bigger and stronger straps are needed. So we now have added 2-ply recovery straps to our lineup. 6 inches rated at 75,000 pounds, 8 inches 100,000, and with the Mac Daddy, our 10-inch model reaches 125,000 pounds. Be sure to add these big daddies to your lineup. As they say, bigger is better. Don't get stuck without one. The Locky is a new ratcheting tie-down strap with a removable handle. Why a removable handle? Well, with the popularity of ratchet straps today, some people would rather get them free rather than pay for them. So theft has been a huge problem for selected users. The Locky ratchet operation is the same as your traditional ratchet, other than we've got the handle that's going to remove when we've got to our destination. Simply pull back on this tab, lift up, remove the handle. To put it back on, same, just reverse the operation. Back in here, snap it on, you lock, away you go. Be sure and add the Locky to your strap offering today. Our new power pull bungee with pull ring is safe and easy to use, making the tie-down experience much safer. With the conventional hooks we have all used in the past, you have to put your finger in the hook to stretch it. Then you get it pulled tight and you can't get your finger out. First thing you know, whoops, it whacks you in the arm or even the face. The new power pull bungee takes care of the problem. We will offer bulk and package models. Remember, power pole bungees are only available from Erickson. The multiplier is a new ratcheting tie-down system that was designed to enable you to apply more tension when securing your load. I have seen users take a long bar and stick it in the handle of a conventional ratchet strap to apply more pressure to their load. The multiplier has a 2-to-1 gear drive in it. What it does do is help exert a lot more tension, a lot more pressure to the load. What you do is simply hook your hooks on over your load, back into the ratcheting position down in the bottom here, and then you proceed to get it tight. Once I get a little tighter here, it'll get a little easier to operate. But see, I'm pulling down on the ratchet rather than pushing on it as a traditional ratchet. So I'm hardly touching on it, and it's getting very, very tight. So at that point, you would go into your double lock position right here so the ratchet can't move. We would, at that point, store our webbing, put a bungee ball around it. Now, we've got to where we want to go, and we need to get it off. So it releases very similar to a traditional ratchet. Up in your release boat here, pull into your handle, it snaps off. Here it snaps off, nice and free. But like a regular ratchet where you pull to get it off, this one's got a spin handle on it here. You just turn the handle here and it backs off. Erickson will offer the multiplier in 2-inch and 3-inch models with both flat and J hooks. There you have it, the new multiplier. Be sure and get this new model in your offering today. Over the last year, we've entered into a joint venture with a rubber molding factory in the USA. We can now offer Made in America EPDM and natural rubber tarp straps. The cost is the same as offshore product, but we can now put the Made in the USA flag on the strap. And at the end of the day, everybody's happy. Okay, what I want to show you here today is the new web clamp. The web clamp is an add-on device to store the excess webbing on your ratchet strap. You know, what do you do with all this excess webbing when you're done? You got your load tight, we're all set, we're ready to go, but we got this webbing. Here we go. Just flip it underneath your clamp, let it go, locks it tight, and stops it from blowing in the wind while you're going down the road.